Okay, welcome to Operation Hurricane. Adolf Airplane Japan, turn 4. Start with tech. I rolled tech. We got, what do we get here? Got improved construction in stage 2. So we will go with our purchases. We have, what do we have? 19 to spend. We'll spend 17. We'll move a carrier from stage 2, stage 3 to stage 2. I'm going to save 2 here. Take that off. Then we're going to buy an artillery and 2 marines. And then we'll use the Dow will use 1 IPP to influence this warlord here in Hopei. So, alright. Combat. No combat. So we'll take one. What are we going to do? I think we're just going to move some pieces around. Move all these back in here. Rail the mountain down here. Fly our 2 fighters to here. And I think that is it. We'll grab these marines. 1, 2 with the transport. Put those in the army here. So that gives us 6 marines, 4 infantry. Yeah. Alright, we're going to roll for just a moment. Get an intelligence briefing here. Roll for Hopei. We'll spend our 1. Need a 1 or a 2. Ooh, I was close. 11. No good there, so it's good. 11 would not, 12 would have not been nice. All right, roll for Siam now. We need a 1 for Siam. Oh, we'll never get this though. The 1's out of 12. Rare. Nope. Okay. So that's it. Oh, I need to finish. Where's that battle cruiser? He needs to go in here as well. I should have another torpedo boat destroyer in here as well. And I got to do a few more moves. Forgot about that. And I want this light carrier down here as well. In this game, the fighters are at 6, so we'll keep the fighter there. All right. That's it for everything. So let's go ahead and place our units and call it a day. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. So place these in here and there. And we'll collect 16 plus 3 is 19 plus 1 is 20. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. All right, see you all next time.